With a new day comes new strength and new opportunities. A very good morning to one and all. I, Mitakshi Verma, wholeheartedly welcome you all. Let us start today's assembly by invoking the blessings of the Almighty.
यत्रैव यत्रैव मनो मदीयं तत्रैव तत्रैव तव स्वरूपं यत्रैव यत्रैव शिरो मदीयं तत्रैव तत्रैव पदद्वयं ते जं करोमि नारायणं पूजनं सदा वदामि नारायणं निर्मलं स्वरामि नारायणं
Prayers mean the purification of one's soul. They take away negative vibes and help us connect with the Almighty. Now, I would like to invite Pankuri to start this auspicious day with the English prayer.
Dear God, we thank you for the goodness, for your mercy and your grace. Help us to carry these wonderful gifts in our own hearts and lives. May we radiate positivity and peace all around. Amen.
Let us dedicate this day to the Almighty by offering the school prayer. Please join your hands and close your eyes. Positive thoughts contain the power to inspire and illuminate thousands of minds. They work like fuels which encourage and motivate us throughout the day. Now, my friend Ilakshi will throw some light on confidence by speaking the thought for the day.
Thought of the day is you don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Practice like you never won. Perform like you never lost. Thank you.
Thank you, Ilakshi, for such an inspirational thought. Now, I would like to request our respected principal ma'am to shower her blessings upon us and enlighten us with her words of wisdom.
Before I wish you well for the next year, I'll just say a formal prayer of gratitude. Thank you, God, for the blessings you have bestowed on my life. You have provided me with more than I could ever have imagined. You have surrounded me with people who always look out for me. You have given me family. and friends who bless me every day with kind words and actions. Thank you for this year. Thank you for making it a period of growth and transformation for me. Children, please sit down. Please sit down and just listen, okay? Don't clap. You've clapped enough. So children, today you'll also be getting your report card. And you have to look at your own report card and just see how happy you are after seeing that. Now when I say how happy you are after seeing that, there are some subjects where you may have worked very, very hard. There are some which you may have ignored. And your report card reflects that. It is essential for you to understand what your report card says. It is not a comment on any one of you. It is basically to make you understand that after all the effort you made, this is where you reached. Whether you got a grade A or grade A plus, you must understand those grades. Don't think you are very small and you don't have to understand the grades. If they are given, are they important or not? Yes, they are important. Now, if somewhere you have a grade A, you can appreciate yourself for that and you can aspire for a higher grade. That's the way you grow. Because if you are looking at growth in your next class, you will have to set your goals today after taking your report card. And if you feel somewhere you have a grade B, appreciate yourself because that also has come only after you have put in some effort. So you must reward your effort, you must appreciate yourself for what you've got and then aspire for more, make your plan to move up. The report card is not meant for your parents. Every day tell yourself, this is my report card, I have to set my goal, I have to decide where I want to take myself, in which subject, which skill do I want to enhance and excel in the next year. Your parents should not be telling you, these marks are good, these marks are not good. You have to go home and tell them, today after your teachers give you the report card, take a hard look at it, go home and explain your report card to your parents and tell them about your goals. Okay? Because your life is your responsibility or your parents' responsibility? Your responsibility. Wherever you are making your parents do things for you, in the coming year, please resolve to do them yourself. All good wishes to you for the result that you're going to get and lots of good wishes to you for the coming year. You had brilliant teachers this year, you will have even more brilliant teachers next year. So celebrate your next year. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for inspiring us with your words of wisdom. Music is the soul of life. It heals our hearts and gives us immense pleasure. Now, these rising musicians will fill our hearts with joy through their melodious music.
Shardi
चुनरिया, गलियन में भिगोई गई चुनरिया, चुनरिया भी गई केसरिया, चुनरिया भी गई केसरिया, मेरी बात बिगड़ गई गलियन में, मेरी बात बिगड़ गई गलियन में, मेरे रंग रंगीली गलियन में भिगोई गई चुनरिया, राधे जी के द्वार अपने ससुराल, तेरे होली श्री गिरधारी, राधे जी के द्वार अपने ससुराल, तेरे होली श्री गिरधारी, रंग गुलाल उड़ावे रे, रंग गुलाल उड़ावे रे, मच रही धुआंधार, मच रही धुआंधार, तेरे होली श्री गिरधारी, मच रही धुआंधार, मच रही धुआंधार, तेरे होली श्री गिरधारी, जी के द्वार अपने ससुराल, खेले होली श्री गिरधारी, खेले होली श्री गिरधारी, खेले होली श्री गिरधारी, होली है। Success can never be obtained without hard work and perseverance. The captains of the four houses have also worked extremely hard to achieve this position. Now they will be sharing their experience and the beautiful memories that they cherish till date.
I am Shashwat Srivastav, House Captain of Wisdom House. This academic year was really special to me as I was given this responsibility by my teachers. I took it as an opportunity to upgrade, refine, and enhance myself. First of all, my communication skills improved a lot and I was able to interact with other people in a much better way. I became more open-minded, creative and innovative, as a result of which I got first prize in Hindi creative writing. I would like to quote an incident when I was appointed on the duty of ushering the parents to gym auditorium. I performed my duty very well for 2 to 3 hours for 3-4 days. I was able to carry on my duties by being more flexible, adaptive, accountable and patient. Really, this leadership opportunity was a great learning and a positive experience for me. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Kirtana Vijesh and I'm the house captain of the Strength House. The days I spent in grade 4 were the golden days of my life. Being responsible and carefree, being naive and apologetic, bouncing between childish and mature, I have experienced everything as the house captain of the Strength House. Every day during break time, I used to go and stand in the corridor to look up for the discipline. Initially, it was hard for me to maintain discipline in younger classes, but the power of responsibility made a huge impact on me and inculcated leadership qualities in me. Being a house captain has made me learn how to handle a big responsibility with a positive attitude and with commitment. It has also made me learn how I should conduct myself with people honestly and elegantly. Strength has explored my physical, mental, and vital being. My responsibilities made me more sincere and made me learn how to face the challenges of a real leader. My punctuality and humility have become the pillar of my strength and are teaching me various lessons that are helping me move forward in life. Now, I have consciously realized that courage to change, nobleness of mind, building of character, intensity of power, swiftness for justice, and straightforwardness are an important part in one's life. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. As I stand before you, my mind is bubbling with vivid memories and a myriad of mixed emotions of my interactions with you all during my tenure as the house captain of the House of Harmony this concluding academic session. On a note of thanks, I would like to acknowledge my deepest gratitude to my teachers who bestowed upon me trust to handle this coveted post. Along with being a matter of pride and entitlement, this privileged post also inculcated in me a sense of accountability and discipline. During the course of carrying out my duties, I might have inadvertently hurt someone with my harsh words or actions, for which I apologize, as there were no malintentions in doing so. I realize that discipline carves out a responsible citizen out of ourselves. As an example, I would like to quote this incident while being posted outside gym auditorium during annual class presentations. I maintained order among all the volunteers and streamlined the flow of visitors, thus being a small cog in the large wheel of events. As the session approaches its end, I would like to thank my seniors and extend my sincere regards to all my mentors and well-wishers. I would also like to seize this opportune moment to wish all the very best to all my friends and juniors in their forthcoming endeavors. Thank you.
A very good morning to all my beloved teachers and friends. As I think of the thrilling journey that has passed over the year, there are some important things that I have experienced by being the house captain of the one and truly Perfection House. When I first got to know that I was going to be the house captain for the Perfection House, I felt honored and excited, but I also was nervous. I overcame the nervous feeling by doing the task given and having positive thoughts. It was possible because of the guidance of my teachers, especially my house mistress, and the support of my teammates and friends. I was given a lot of opportunities to provide assistance in conducting many functions, which enhanced my capacity to work hard and achieve the goals. In this memorable journey, I got full cooperation from my teachers, friends, and teammates. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart and wish you all the very best for your future goals. Thank you.
Dance is the joy of moments and the heart of life. It uplifts your spirits and makes you revel in unbound happiness. Now, these talented dancers will mesmerize you with their outstanding performance.
बजाती आई डोली आई रे आई डोली आई रे रंग अबीर गुलाल उड़ाती आई होली आई रे आई होली आई रे वृंदावन से आए कन्हाई बरसाने से राधा आई बरसाने से राधा आई
रंग केसरी लाए कन्हाई प्रीत के रंग है राधा लाई प्रीत के रंग है राधा लाई
I would like to request our junior school vice principal ma'am to shower her blessings upon us and enlighten us with her words of wisdom.
I hope everybody will remember this crisp, short, and such meaningful assembly. So, children, now today this session has come to an end. Okay, but after every end, there is a beginning. So we can look forward for the new beginning of the new session. Now, how will you do that? Today, when you go home, you have your gratitude journal with you, and I'm sure there must be some pages left blank. Okay, then what you do, you go home, open your gratitude journal, and write in that the moments which you cherished the last year, the moment where you enjoyed the most, where you faced a lot of success. Write those moments, and also write why did you enjoy those moments, who was the person responsible for making you so happy in those moments, and pay gratitude to all those people who helped you to enjoy those moments. At the same time, there must be some moments which were very boring. You faced failures also. You were unhappy, sad at times. So write those moments also, because they are the learnings. And then write how you can make those moments happy next year, successful next year, and also pay gratitude to yourself or maybe to anybody because of whom those moments were not so happyful. And pay gratitude to those people also because that was your learning, and from there you will grow. Okay? So how many of you will do this today at home? Okay. Done. Thank you. Now, I would like to pay gratitude to, first of all, to Promini ma'am for guiding us throughout the year, and also all the teachers who had been a helping hand, a guiding light for all these dear children. And also Joyita ma'am, Rupsi ma'am for doing all this for us. Thank you.
I would like to invite Anshika for the ending shloka.
यथा नद्यस्यन्दमानः समुद्रे स्तङ्गच्छन्ति नामरूपे विहाय तथा विद्वान् नामरूपाद् विमुक्तः परात् परं पुरुषमुपैति दिव्यम् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति